In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Sendwave to GCash. By the end, you'll know how to sign up or log in, add your recipient, complete any required verification, and confirm your transfer confidently. Start by opening the Sendwave app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new, tap Sign Up. Enter your full name, then your email address. You'll also be asked for your mobile number and a few other basic details on screen. When everything looks correct, tap Sign Up to create your account. Check your email for a verification prompt. Choose the Verify Email option to confirm quickly. After verifying, return to the app, enter your email and your password, and tap Login. You should now be on the home screen. From here, choose your recipient. If you've saved this person before, select their name and tap Add to proceed, then tap Next. If not, tap Add New Recipient. Select the recipient's country, then choose the payment method appropriate for mobile wallet payout. Enter the recipient's full name and their mobile number as it appears on their GCash account, and fill in the recipient address section. Accuracy matters here. The name and number should match the GCash details to avoid delays. Tap Save. Now select your GCash recipient and tap Continue to Send. You may be prompted to verify your email again. Complete that step, then tap Take me to the app to return. Next, enter your payment method details and tap Next. Carefully review the summary, recipient information, payment method, any fees, and the amount you intend to send. When everything looks right, tap Continue. For compliance, you'll be asked to enter your legal name and your date of birth. Tap Finish to move ahead. You'll then complete ID verification. Choose driver's license as your ID type, select your country, confirm that your card is readable, and submit the verification. Use good lighting and make sure all text on your ID is clear to speed up approval. Once verification is done, you'll be brought back to the transfer screen. Give everything one last look to ensure the details are correct, then tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. Your money is on its way to GCash. Transfer times and fees can vary, and occasional extra checks may occur to keep your account secure. If anything doesn't match or you see an error, revisit the recipient name and mobile number or contact support in the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you send money from Sendwave to GCash with confidence.